There are a lot of CRMs or email marketing softwares out there. Personally, I've had to try all of them, so you don't have to. So in this video, I'll give you a full, no BS, very short, not the 30, 40, 1 hour long Sendinblue tutorial, which will go over everything from plans to emails to pros, cons, everything. And as you can see here, if you go on my computer on contacts, I've used Sendinblue and I have 33k contacts there. I don't use it anymore, but I've used it and I've paid a lot for it. But before we start, make sure you give this video a like. Hey, I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe, because we're a team. We have 2 video editors, 1 dog in the back, and we try to produce around 2 videos every single day, because no one is doing that. No one is producing so many videos to bring you as much value and to be the only channel in the niche that you want to subscribe to. So do that right now. You know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. Just comment something fun, or your YouTube channel name, or Instagram account, TikTok account, website down below. Shout it out in one of the next videos. It pretty much happens like this. I take it from the comments, put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome, and shout you out. Okay, let's start. So this is basically the Sendinblue dashboard. When you sign up, it's really easy, and I'll have a link for it in the description down below. And just if you're wondering, because you might have a comment like this, what is the software I'm using? I'm actually using GetResponse. I should have a video on my channel already about it. I already recorded it, but let's continue with Sendinblue. Sendinblue, after you sign up, you can import your contacts. The good thing about Sendinblue is it's way easier for them to approve your contacts. So if you're moving from MailChimp or something else, my experience with Sendinblue is you get if you have a few thousand contacts, approved way easier. And the cool thing about it is their live chat is very responsive. I talked about them on a lot of things. It was really easy, and they helped me out a few times, and they reply to emails very fast. That was my experience with them. I used them 2 years ago in 2018. October, actually was October 2018. So it's a 2-year anniversary. So as any email software, they have the contacts where you add all their contacts. They have a bunch of apps. They have automation, which is the function where you automate email series, website tracking, contact management, and more. Facebook ads, CRM. The really good thing about it is they have SMS campaigns, and also they actually removed everything that I had because I wasn't active on them. But the interesting thing about them is you pay not based on how many contacts you have. For example, I'm paying like 80 euros a month or something for GetResponse, and here you're just paying on the amount of emails you'll be sending out. So I'm pretty sure I didn't have this plan because I had 30k contacts and I was sending pretty much daily. I probably had some custom plan, maybe a $66 a month, but maybe more. I think I had a plan like this. Oh, something really cool. I don't know why, but on my watch it started to, every word that I said, it used it with Google Translate or something. I don't know, is it Siri? Yeah, it's Siri. Siri thought I was talking to her. No, Siri, I'm not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Siri, stop it. So the first thing you want to do is go on over to your contact section. You want to see how many contacts you have, and you can instantly import your contacts. Rule of thumb, CSV file. That's what you want to keep your contacts with. Not copy paste, nothing else. CSV. And also I've seen that you get your contacts verified faster if you upload them in CSV than copy pasting them. That's a little bit spammy for them. So the first thing you do is you want to import your contacts. After that, you want to add a form section or a landing page on your website, an embedded form to your website. So you want to click create a form, create a new subscription form, and you want to collect emails or SMS only. You want to create the name, then you get the HTML code, and you can ask your developer to edit. Something interesting is that they have a lot of integration. They can integrate into WordPress and other platforms. What I really like about Sendinblue is if we actually go on our campaigns and then click on templates, there's so many templates, especially if you have no experience with email marketing. I didn't have a lot of experience when I started it, and they have, if we go down to the design, we gotta save a template name, test, subject line test, preview text test, go to the design. They have a drag and drop editor, and it's better than the ones I've tried out because it's super simple. Sendinblue, I can never get, the hang, the gist of what I'm doing. And they have, you know, you can add some products here, your logo or a banner you have. Here's some things that I've used before. I've used more, but they're deleted, I guess. You can add your logo, you know, a really cool infographic, title, 2 products. You can have a buy now, some discount, your company stuff, your socials down there. It's really easy to actually set up. Unlike others, MailChimp is also easy, but GetResponse is not. Then you have automation. Automation is something that you definitely want to have, especially set up for a Benton card and for a funnel whenever you have a new contact. The good thing about Sendinblue is that you have 2,000 contacts remaining for free and 300 emails remaining for free. So you can test it out right now, literally, while watching this video. You can create workflows with the blue button right here. And a good practice is to have a welcome message. And for example, you can have a welcome message, hey, you know, welcome to the store. After 2 days, you can say a discount or something like that. You can also have website events, for example, for tickets, for email support. There's so many things. And you have some ideas for different categories to increase traffic, to increase revenue, or build relationships. For example, increased revenue can have a product purchase, and after 1 minute, or I would say 48 hours, an upsell or something like that. You can have page visits. If someone visited a page, didn't buy, that's pretty much the abandoned cart. Maybe if someone visited the blog post that you have and you have a product around it, you can actually set up an email with a discount for a product around the blog post. That's actually a really good idea. I'll check if GetResponse has. So that's pretty much it. Actually, functionally, technically like it on YouTube. If this video helped you out, again, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, comment them down below. I reply to every single comment. Remember that a video a day gives the doctor additional financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.